Hi, I'm Richard Armstrong from ProCalc, the Builder's Price Guide. ProCalc allows builders, architects and designers to create instant, up-to-date and industry-based construction estimates for sketch concepts. To start with, here's what your budget report looks like. It analyses over 30 key variables you've inserted from the concept that builders assess when estimating projects. It gives you an opinion of probable cost based on Australian builders' costing methods covering low, mid and high budgets to help manage clients' early budget expectations. It saves builders hours developing architects and clients' feasibility costs, and it provides up-to-date market price guides. It's updated monthly with real Australian builders pricing, and it supports concept estimates and also reality testing for your construction estimates. It's based on residential projects only, covering all types. So here's a typical project, and I'll just give you an example of how that works. So on the left-hand side, we've got you can see it's a new build. So over here in the calculator, we look at those various options there. So we're going to select new build, but as you can see, there are all sorts. There's renovations and extensions, there's basements, there's a whole variety of projects in there. First off, it's a greenfield site, so there's no demolition required. Total length of structural walls is 94 linear metres. The ground floor area is 202 square metres. 202 square metres, which will round up to 205 because it's in multiples of 5. The decking that's in there is 20 square metres. Now this site, it's an inner metro site. There's no significant excavation required. The glass doors and windows, there's 35 square metres. The pergola type is a closed, and there are 20 square metres. In terms of the quality of fit off in the wet areas, the client wants premium, and there are 2 wet areas. So they're both new. One's a small and one's a medium. The next is that there's a powder room. There's also a large kitchen. There's no butler's pantry. There is a laundry. There's a medium solar system. There's no swimming pool. There are 3 skylights. There's no drop-down roof attic ladder. Site complications, there are some, because it's a metropolitan site. The finish on the outside is masonry, or the cladding, the external walls are masonry. Then you've got the client design expectations, which are marked at a 3, and these are all catalogued down the right-hand side here, so you can key them in. The average support required from the client is average. The project's in Victoria, and the construction contract, let's call it an MBA, and it's a closed tender process from 3 builders. Now, coming back to here, we're covering a few of the PS allowances as well. So we've got landscaping, which we'll put in there at 10K. We've also got a water tank. So let's say it's a small water tank at 3,500. And then from there, we go ahead and calculate those numbers. And what that then produces is this report. And so this can be provided to the architect or to the client to actually say, here's the project this stage, run through an industry calculator. The important thing is that it thinks and estimates like a builder. It's based on real builders' estimates for real projects. And the algorithm is updated every 30 days. So we keep it up to date in line with market prices. The report takes about 15 minutes online to produce, and it can be issued to architects or clients with their specific concepts when they're at sketch stage, and that's ProCalc. So if you'd like to take a free trial, you can go to procalc.com.au/builders and take a free trial. Thanks, and have a good day.